Hi, my name is Mark Ellis, and I am a very happy QuietCool customer. For many years I was looking to put this system in my home. My wife would not agree with it, but I was able to get a really good deal after one of these trade shows, like the Pacific Coast Builders Conference. Went ahead and bought the system for my home. I have saved so much money in electric costs and have the comfort of in the evening turning that thing on, and it blows so cold we have to put blankets on the bed in the summer. So I cannot say anything good, enough good about this product, how efficient it is, made in America. I want to support the American vendors, and it's one of the best things you can do, invest in your property and have the comfort along the way. So any other questions you have, please contact your local guy.
Do you love your QuietCool?
I love my QuietCool system. It's awesome, especially the timer which comes with it, because sometimes you don't want to get up and turn it off, so that comes in really handy.
Hi, I'm Jamie Reese. I live in Concord, California, and I'm here to talk about QuietCool. We actually were at a trade show at Concord Pavilion, and Jeremy Carlock, I believe is his last name, with Got Watts, actually had a booth with QuietCool, and we made a deal with him when we got our air conditioning installed and our insulation in our attic. We also had a QuietCool installed in our house, and we love it. I mean, we're not running our air conditioning very frequently. We get a lot of 100-degree days plus out in Concord, and at nighttime when it cools down, you just open up a couple windows in some key areas and turn on that QuietCool, and it'll pull all the warm air up into your attic and evacuate that and pull all the cold air in and keep your house really nice and climatized, so you're not running your air conditioning all the time. So we love it. Go QuietCool. Love your products.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you love your QuietCool?
Love it. Works great. Number 10.
10 plus.
Have you seen energy savings off your utility bill?
Yes, definitely.
Did you run your air conditioning less?
Yes, it seems to.
How less have you ran your air conditioning?
Probably half.
Yeah, there are evenings when we don't have to turn it on because we can bring in the cool air. We don't have to keep the air running.
Do you guys?
Especially when we go to bed. We turn it on when we go to bed, and it's real comfortable in bed, so the air conditioner doesn't run in the middle of the night.
Do you guys love your QuietCool?
Love it.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.